Hello friends, welcome to another session of video tutorial on Java. Please subscribe to my channel. To subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you get the latest updates. In today's session, we are going to cover comments, how to read an input from console, and we will walk through the run configuration of a particular program and how to run a program through console. Comment plays a very important role in readability of a program. So in the first program, whatever we have seen, if you look at it, then we don't know what this statement is doing. If you put in a comment here, print welcome message here, so this will give you much more readability on what this particular statement is doing. The comments are of two types here. One is double slash, the other one is slash star and ends with star slash. So this is a single line comment and this is a multi-line comment. Multi-line comment. So we'll put in a comment here or multi-line comment here. Saying this class will have one method. It will print the welcome message. Okay, so as you can see, this is a multi-line comment. So here also I'm going to put a comment which says, okay, main method is an entry point to the application. Okay, so whoever comes in new and then if he goes through this program, he will understand, okay, based on these comments what this program is actually doing. So that is where these comments will help. So these comments are non-executable statements. They don't add additional burden to your program, but it increases the readability of this program. This is how we can write the comments in single line as well as multi-line. So you can add these comments anywhere in the program. Let us take a look at the second part, which is reading input. So let us enhance this program so that we can read it from the console. Okay, so system.out.println will print it to the output. Okay, so let us read the input. For reading the input, we are making use of a scanner class. Scanner in is equal to new scanner. So here we are going to make use of system.in. So that means this is the input which we are reading. Okay, so let me import this. So this belongs to, okay, so Java util package. The command will be read it from the input. Okay, so let us save this. The next thing is in dot next line. Okay, so this I'm going to put it in a string variable. String str message is equal to in dot next line, and the same message I'm going to print it here. Earlier we had hard coded this. Now we are going to print this using this variable str message. Okay, control S. Okay, now let us run this. Simple hello, run as Java application. So it is going to ask me to input something, which I'm going to put it here. Hello, welcome to online training. Okay, as you can see, it has printed the same here, hello, welcome to online training, and it has exited. So this is how we can read it from the input. Okay, the next thing is run configuration. Let us go back and see. Okay, if you click on run, so there is something called run configuration here. Okay, so this is the project under which this is the main class, and we can provide arguments also here. JRE tab, if you want to change the JRE, you can change it here. For this example, if you want to add some other libraries into the class path, you can do it here. Okay, and if there are any environment variable which you want to use and the value, you can add them here. Here you can provide the arguments. You can provide multiple arguments separated by a space. So I'm going to provide simple argument example here, and space simple second argument. Okay, so I'm going to apply this and close this. Instead of scanner class, we are going to read it from the argument list. So instead of str message, I'm going to add args of 0. Okay, so this should print the first argument from this list. Okay, in this we have given 2 arguments, so let us run this. Okay, so it has read the first argument. Okay, if I change this value to 1, it should print me the second argument. Okay, let us run this again. Okay, it has given me the second argument. Okay, so this is how we can make use of arguments also. Okay, the next thing is running through the console. Okay, so whenever we created this project generally generates a jar file. Let us see how to run this using the console. Okay, for that what you need to do is select the project, go to file, okay, and export it, and there are a list of things here. Select Java and choose a runnable jar file. Okay, click on next. Launch configuration will be simple hello. Okay, select this, and the export destination will be, specify the location of the jar file and the name for the jar file. This is simple example.jar file. Okay, save it and then click on finish. Okay, click on OK. So now our jar file is located in a D. Okay, let us open up command prompt. Let us go to D, and here type in java -jar and the jar file name, simple example.jar, which we saved just now. Okay, java -jar simple example.jar. Since this particular example is using first argument, that is when we saved this as a jar, so I need to provide 2 arguments here. Okay, based on this, it has printed the first argument, which is world. Okay, so this is how we can run using the console. Okay, that is the end of today's session.